thoracic foam rolling. The thoracic section of your spine is your upper back. So to roll this section here, what we're doing is we're laying on the foam roller with it perpendicular to our body. And I'm gonna start it right about my mid back. I'm gonna put my arms up with my elbows at 90 degrees, and the elbows about in line with the shoulders. They can move around here, whatever's comfortable for you, but about this starting position here. So it's gonna help open my chest up here, and then I'm going to simply roll the roller up to the back of my neck, and I'm gonna continue it back down to about my mid back there, back and forth. So I'm using my legs to push and pull me back and forth across this roller here. Careful sometimes if you got a microphone headset wire or if you got a loose shirt, it might get caught under the foam roll there and try to pull you. Do your best to try and keep your upper back and torso relaxed here. I like to even just sort of let my head and hands to sort of drag along here as long as I'm not getting things caught under the foam roll. I just let them drag along the ground there. I'll use my hands to kind of prop myself here so my body can be relaxed as my back can be relaxed as I roll along that foam roller there, letting my spine open up in this sort of arch direction, this spinal extension, going kind of arching my back here. And if you've got a good, healthy lower back and you've been approved to do so, you can take this even into a lower back foam roll and relax it down here, but otherwise just stop at about that mid back point and come back up to the back of your neck, back and forth. A little tricky when you got loose wires and clothing hanging out back there. But take your time. You get used to this. It's a big favorite of most people. Favorite little foam roll. Oh, goodness.